Lelo nale nakusiyele ngicede ukubuza ngayo le.
Nana siyane ke asiyalo.
Akusi. Ngicede ukubuza ngayo manje.
Tell back.
Lokhu nakwakuthenga kwakho lo. Ngiyaqinisa nje. Yami nayo le ngithola igcwele ngithi. Yini? Yini anti?
Ngithatha
King.
Ngitheni la mawufika la? Ngithe
No, King into you.
Yini le?
iphela.
Yini?
Cela King.
Ngo mo fats ka fats ho.
Morogo. O dira nga wona.
Yini le?
Kiti yabasathi.
Yini le? Ngitshelile ukuthi mina ngiyathandaza kanjena ngisho. If ngibuye nina Saudi ona madubula kwakama ngikubeki la. Ngikubeka la kwakama ngithi. Ukuba ngibona ngisebenzisa umuthi mina la endlini. Mangifika la nawufika la ngathi mina awungeni nemuthi la endlini la ngeni muthi la. Wathi mina anti. Wathi? Yini lela?
Wathi anti akasebenzisa imithi.
Wathi akasebenzisa umuthi. Ngakubuza
Akisi hayisale lidem fake sakhe berekise nsari dutsika akisi
ngakutshela mina ukuthi ngizokuthola mawusebenzisa umuthi. Na ufika la angizange ngakutshela ngathi noma ungazongifihlele ngizokubona.
ke netungu letsitse fela hayisale le tsona ke ne ke fihla ka tsona ha ke di sebedisi isale ke di beka mo di sebedisi.
Angizange ukubuza ukuthi awunamuthi yini la. Mawufika ngakubuza ukuthi awunamuthi na la. Ngakhomba ibheki. Wathi wena ngathi mina uyawusebenzisa umuthi na. Wathi wena Makana na vista. Nako kwakho lo. Nako kwakho lo.
Yeto
Makana na vista wakho. Umuthi lwani?
ekiswasho.
Yaba ndiphendle.
Ya kai.
Iphende yami le. Yes. Ngikukhomba ibraya khona iphende yami le. Ufuna iphende yami le anti. Ngicela ukukhuluma. Yaba ndiphendle. Angifuni ikwata. Yaba ndiphendle. Angifuni ikwata nkosi yami. Uyithatheleni iphende yami. Ufuna kuyenda iphende yami. Ufuna kuyenda iphende yami. Angizange ngakutshela ukuthi ngizokuthola mawenda something la. Iphende yami le uyithatheleni. Iphende yami.
Munga mos.
Kusebo.
Lesotho. Ifihle ba Lesotho lokwe. Ake rubu tshitjo na roko ka imara wa itseba ke en ka botla bo ithuka re botsa nnete wa gana re botsa nnete okay and no gore ke yona if it live in Lesotho we just need roko
ka dizemo
ntse ka dizemo wa weje Ujajege.
Wayengakaceli anti. Yayingakangitshelanga ukuthi uyalifuna. Ngoba ngabe ucelile. Ngabe ucelile ukuthi ngicela le roko leli. Angisho ngakutshela ukuthi mawudinga something uboyicela. Na udinga imali ubocela iadvance. Mawudinga noma yini ubosho. Uyakhumbula anti?
Wala umbuto na utrejega kusira jiba jeli sanwa
iwona
unjorle ngapha watsarne if sarbutin netini orto willa case ya theft lawut ne mungo lututsin raditse ba nka go confirm wena ka molomo ga o tserle ngapha
Yona fela.
A re sa go tshepa ne so no re nyaka go setšha dibeke tša gago tše o rotle dibeke tša di be molo di bule
ngivule antangithi
a gona selo ka mo
Seteng.
keng amanyana before o bula ka mo keng e leng ka mo
Ke ngile ogoso.
keng
Ogoso.
o jere oros why o jea oros o jere leng gape amanyana bebe o jere leng gape
Ke ngile le nama.
o jere le nama leng gape
Ha ke sure.
okay check or kwakho lokho ne
keng ke jeng
ijini yakhe yini le oy oros le
Things that the car can't handle her.
I'm coming ne uyithathe la naye
keng ntho ke jesi
la ipijama yami le yakudzala
e swara ga botse ke bona wa o e tšea bijame anti
Ke bone le nyane.
e leng nyane mo mang
Mama.
so wa sa kgopele o tšea e le yona ke nyane
na ile ngitop nayo yami le
le yona ke nyane ke nyane le yona anti bula morwa
wakho lo kangisho anti
so wena every time o tsamaya mo o tšea dilo ne and that's why ke phele ke makala gore na why
hlezi kuphela umshibi
mošibo wa fela o phela o tshwere dibeke tše dintšhi go tsamaya mo
la umshibi na why ngatsheli anti because asimabhubezi thina ukuthi sikuncisha ukudla angeke ngikuncisha ukudla mina angeke ngize ngikuncisha ukudla makuphela uthi wena ufuna kuyodla ekhaya angisho
Hey guys, di helper tsa ko Lesotho vele. He, wenze phela di helper tsa ko Lesotho di dumile vele gore ai spill fair because hey, it's a known fact. Ai go fela of course, but gona le stereotype nyana seo. Hashi, ke story ne se le one. So this lady and husband are getting business people, so and they have 2 kids together. So obviously they're gonna need some help. So they decide to hire a lady from Lesotho. So the lady okay, number 1, how we clean number 2, Mariana go back so if you're gonna decide to use Mariana maybe it's for your own personal use, but na pelang. So me okay sharp no it's fine na ke tsama bana ba morate the lady wa ko Lesotho nako this lady hi man neng se qala ke thola ditoronyana tse snacks ko torong gona le mme o mong a ke mo bone ko torong ke na mme o ke my husband bankuba gaka bankuba bang latlhela ka diaparo bankuba mme o ke sambone fanti well webo ke ke ilore gabos 1 ke ilore gabos 2 ke ilore gabos 3 gabos ke bona gore na njengoba ntse ke ilora le dintho ko ntlong wa bona a sa le mnati man ko ntlong le atmosphere ya change nje go a sa le mnati are this lady ka tsho ka rangeke ke faster no ara qala fast ene ga qala fast abelo sakle oba sa developer like bobitanyana towards this lady wa kolsuthu wabo arapela Lord, I don't know why I'm feeling like this. Marakopa unclearele wabo, please clear this for me. Are this lady garobala inetsagale gape toro marakotorong manje sabona that lady wa kolsuthu wa ibona arambone afetsa mbona ari sisungenza kanje ari asihamba bar vele a tsamaya wa bona a re tsamaya a kene kontlong wa kene kontlong ke toro by the way ha kene kontlong a tshole vele diaparo tsa gaidi on the floor and then a tshole joint a re ntato ha nkare ne le moruti or like a prophet or something like this so a tshole joint ya ntata ha ya ibone mo loko fa tsai top a re it's a high top a utlwe thabo a utlwe ba go thosololo wa utlwa taba eo a ragsana taba tsoge ga tsoga because I thought the story saying I fitlhel to what led her because in this video she was opening bag at the lady so more this video habula bag at the lady uthola her underwear paint ya gae or ke paint ya gae ya fantuka af paint ya gae ya gale e red ha fetsa uthola kama ya her husband ikama ya thing ina le miriri ya the husband inside this bag on top of that mokibona tshotse phente gae anti uyenzani phente my Jesus yo auntie asabu bambutsi the husband was the one taking the video yes and under this video no there were people who were commenting gore she has done this before but the first time bamthola nkare na kangile bamthotse ka makhatha ka ba le bam sharp the second time karula it's the same thing kontlong engwe ba re bamkuba njengo sa etsa gape ga bo street a re go ditori tse ding tsa ga di kae but je ba re tlwaetse yes guys thapelo hey guys le borapelang yo hey le borapelang batho ba
we guys nginenkinga la ne and I'll start off by saying ukuthi ihelper like I is a Sotho lady and I speak Zulu and I think this is important because this might be a cultural mismatch, you know. So amongst the many things that she has done, I think today just tops it all off. So we have to extend the door to the bedroom is open, which is where I am, right? And she passes the door. She passes again to the kitchen. The door is open. I see her. Ne? So she entered the house. She didn't look if there's anyone. She didn't greet or anything like that. Worst of all, she passed where I was and didn't say anything. And I think this is a growing concern because I also saw another lady, Akuluma, and helper, and I think her helper as well is a Sotho lady. So sharp, she didn't greet. I was like, okay, it's fine, it's whatever, because she has a lot of unkind gestures in any case. So now, go figure umuntu, a maintenance guy who's coming to fix the oven, right? So now she wants to tell me that there's someone at the door. She comes and she gets straight to the point. No greeting, no acknowledgement whatsoever. What. No acknowledgement of me whatsoever. So sengiyambingelela ngithi sawubona ma uthi she continued speaking. I'm like, how sawubona kunjani? And then she's like, yeah, kishapo, I didn't see utokhile or something like that. And I'm just like, okay, awubonanga that time, but now you can clearly see. That's today, because I was just like, I have never seen something like this. Cool. Other times, she doesn't show up at work. And she says nothing. So angazi ukuthi, okay, the rudeness I associated maybe with culture and the language barrier. Yeah, but even though we are both trying to find a way to communicate, in Khuluma Zulu, Khuluma Sotho, but we do find a way to communicate. And then now, Leo ukuthi mhlawumbe angeze emsebenzini, angazi guys ukuthi mhlawumbe ubona just a young person and she's just like, I can do whatever. Because she'll be like, no, ngitshela umntanami ngibuditse ngwanaka ukuthi awugubutse gore nkase ke kihle what. I'm like, but if you take work seriously, do you not follow up and check? like, because we already have a plan of the week. It inconveniences a lot of things. Like, we need to know before time so that we get a different helper, substitute or something. And then the other time, guys, man, kuningi. Like, there are days where I'll ask her to maybe wash the carpets and she just looks at me like agafuni. Like, that's amongst the many things. And she never says thank you, like, for anything. Because we got a new washing line. Then I gave her the other washing line. She's not going to say thank you. Or, she eats here while she's at work. So even if maybe I order in something, there's no thank you. Not that I'm expecting that, but there's no kindness, there's no friendliness from her side. So hey guys, but it is such a growing concern.
Yebethu molweni. Xela singathethe nge-eyebrows zami. Le yi-birthmark. Uba kwenzeka ntoni apha nama ndiyazi. So asiphume napho. Funa uthetha nge-helpers. And before you think, oh, Palace, nope, I'm not that kind of a person. I do want to tell my experience with i-helper enganginayo. Usisi bekuwo waseLesotho. Ngangimthola ukuthi azogada uHluke. I started working when he was 11 months old. Ngamthola usisi because bengazi uma wakhe engangijwayele from mangihambisa usisi kaHluke esikoleni ngahlangana naloyo mama washo ukuthi uyihelpa kuphi abamphathanga kahle ndondondondon. So ngathatha inamba yakhe bengasebenzi at the time kodwa ke mangathola umsebenzi ngizokufonela. Bese nguthola umsebenzi ngimfonela wathi iboss yakhe yanqaba ngaye sekathola iboss entsha emphethe kahle kodwa uzongilethela ingane yakhe. Big mistake. Girl was 2 years younger than me. Even on the first day sivumele ukuthi uveke ngesikhathi esithile wafika late, and I'm a very time conscious person, so that initially did not sit well with me. But ke miyeka waqala wasebenza. uHluke was into solids at the time, but he was still breastfeeding ebusuku because he refused to drink anything other than, like, bekaphuza yonke into out of a bottle, bekaphuza ijuice, bekaphuza amanzi, bekaphuza itiye, but ibisi bekangalifuni. So bekangilinda ngibe emsebenzini bese afike afide ebusuku. Mengithi sengiyanotice bengivuka ekseni guys ngipheke ama-veggie ngenza ama-puree na. Ngithi mengibuye emsebenzini ugele athi hayi uHluke sengimtshintshile namanephi ngithathe nje uyolala because bekalala ngambela. Ngingacabangi lutho. But umntana uconstipated, makumele aye endlini encane uyakhala lokhu kubuhlungu. Mengithi uyabona ukuthi umntwana udliswa umdoko lo obrown, of which bekawupheka vele ngoba bekazwa uzawudla as breakfast yabo. But then adle nalezi zinto bengangiyiprepare. Little did I know ukuthi sisters either uyazilahla or uyazidla self, kodwa udlisa umntwana ilona umdoko brown uphela, ingane iconstipated ukufa. Mengithi ngiyabheka lapha kwamathanga ingane iyancinzwa. There's old bruises and there's new bruises. Ngibonise ubabakhe ngithi baba ngicela ungibhekisa lana ikhona into engayi-understand. Ubaba turned grey. That's how pissed off he was. Didn't say anything to me. Wavele wangibheka ngibona nje ukuthi ulinyanya ukugcina wadonsa ingubo walala. Hayi ngithatha umntwana the next day ngimhambise ku-doctor for constipation. Ngithi doctor angi-understand why umntwana uzoba constipated. Ngiyambreastfeeda ebusuku. Emini umuntu engimshiya naye ngiyamtshela ukuthi amphuzise amanzi, amphuzise ijuice, amphuzise itiye i-rooibos. And then I make veggies, like ngiyamenzela ama-purees wama-veggie. Futhi at that age 11 months bengizothi mhlambe i-puree nyana idle nge-lunch, but emini mhlambe like ipapa ne-gravy and a little bit of ipiece yenyama yabo. So angi-understand why umntwana constipated kanje. That doctor looked me in the eye asked, if you don't want to bury your child, whoever is looking after your child needs to go. Izofa lengane. Hayi ngifuna kumama. Usicela ufike uzokusiza ngomntwana because usisi uyindlela neqiniso. Hayi ubaba athi uzokhuluma nalusisi personally. Afika athi kuyayi ingane ayikho right, sicela ugogo wengane ukuthi aze azoyigada. So okwamanje ungahamba sizokubiza ingane mase right. She should not look my husband in the eye and say, "Ana ke utlwe hore wa reng haeba wa nteleka ke batla mme e leng yena o na mphile mosebetsi e leng mongaka a tle o njwetsa hore ha re sihlahlole le mpatla." Angisuye umuntu violent. Kodwa makufika abantwaneni bami, there's a side to me that you don't want to see. And inkinga ukuthi I get to a certain level of anger la ngenza izinto bese ngizikhumbula. Ubaba uthi ngalanda iharafu. Ngathi is either ngiyakuqoba ngale harafu or ngifonela amaphoyisa, either way akuzukuba khona la kwami. Ngeli into zakhe ecula ha Modimo ali teng hayo mathata ungenza ingane akayiniki ukudla. Futhi ke it went on a couple of bese ka pregnant umama sekangitshela the way nje yena afunke endodeni yakhe ungcono ahambe nohluke endodeni. Ngithi mina akuyena yedwa umuntu omgadile, you supposed to clean the house and there is usister kaHlubi odinga ukugadwa naye. Ngimbona nje ukuthi ugela akekho kulezo, ufuna ukuyo relaxa no put baby wakhe. So yeah, that is my experience nama helper waseLesotho. Once again, I'm not saying bonke bayafana, kodwa the experience yami with the helper waseLesotho was not good at all.
Ene batla go kolomakela o raba o tla go kolomakela mosadi wa Lesotho ntlo ya hao e tholere tu e re ha o e sheba o re mara I've never cleaned my house like this. I shapile and that me I shapile ngwanyana first re foka perfect go fela. That one you can never take it away from them. Story time 2023 last year December what? My little sister is coming to town. One chakela ke di holidays, so I'm fetching her way Johannesburg. Benegant taxi rank. Luckily genze ke bole taxi driver ka phone, so phone ele be se ke nyoko bekeng ele ba tlo utswa. Yes. Tloga ke fitla go Joburg ke floga taxi ba mphitlisa ba shimane ba ntshwara po what. Luckily my phone was mo matsweleng. She's the first person I call her. Girl, ke tshwere po. Mme ke kopa o tle hae hanat. Ke auntie wa ka ge o. Okay, no nna ke decide gele bona go ga go no ke a tswela pele ka di because Tsela after fetching my little sister was going to China Mall. Went to China Mall. Hi man, I came bolting because my friends were able to bolt for me. For us. I can't block the card and everything. At that time, next day I can make online transactions. La card ke blockile. So man hands ke duza ke se ke buile le ka WhatsApp call. Ke wait, pause. Rewind. Profile picture what? Ke go profile picture nya and ha ke re mos motho o mo profile picture o kenze manyena aka. Hey bu. Ke little sister show. Ngake show a little sister a confirm gore ma these are your earrings. Okay. Pause kanyane na actually ntlo engwe how kena go yona o fiwa melao. I get like my house when you come to work for me I give you the house rules like any household hold. This is what we do montlong ina retsa e. But one important rule in my house, my bedroom is off limits. You don't enter my bedroom, you don't clean my bedroom, I do it myself. You don't do my husband's laundry, I do it myself. I cook for my husband. You only do those things if he is not at home. You don't even, you don't even clean my bedroom. So it's not a room I can okay, fine. So girl went into my bedroom. I go jewelry box in take a picture. And then I posted go WhatsApp status profile picture. Body to that level. Don't get this thing last week ke mo reketse a tray ya ke December zaga e teng e kalo. Ke mo reketse ba ma ditrinyana tse le tsa manyena mangata a masale and stuff. Ke mo reketse go e comments ka mova. So ba nano why are you wearing my earrings? So I was able to confirm because the background is my house. She's carrying my daughter in the picture, so it's a recent picture.
Hi, fast forward re fihle mo ntlong ge everything e tswele pele ke mo first story go gotsagetseng okay sharp mo le ke re man auntie man o se ke na le tshwenyane ka re nya ntshwenya wathi mme mathata ke nke mele ke ge ke profile picture ya hao ke bone ke ntse masale mang a batlo re ke ba gatsa masale ao mara he o ka re ke na lona kompontshe ona because o ka ga ntshwana le aka ha ke batlo re ke aka because nka shojalo tshong ke a kise ka ntshweseng yona o tla ba so go pompontshe a hao ke wa tshwantshanye and then ha ile re ke ya hao ke tla go ba tshwarelo thola re tu a panchekele dimina change o mono go I kenya masale a gage those are my earrings so ke motse ke re so let me get this straight wentseng o kene ka kamareng yaka wa nka manyena aka wa ba kenya wa shoot a profile picture wa shoot a snap wa boya profile picture so why are you so comfortable doing that in my house? First of all, you're not even supposed to go in that room. Why are you doing that? So if you know comfortable to a point anymore, and that's it's one thing you cannot have you know boundary. You know, okay, wena wansebeletsa nna ke a patala but rapidisana because it's one house, you understand? So the rules, the boundaries, they have to be there because otherwise so I was like I don't appreciate that. So because as a khalo sebetsa mona and already since umpontshitse di thokala tsao I feel comfortable. So please ke tlo fa shelter how mara ke tlo kopa ho ha o tsamaya o ska tlhola o gutla ke kopa o ntsamaele o ntswele ka ntlo because I ke sa tap because it's one thing we kena ka ntlong ya motho a itse go se ke ba kena the next thing wena bo kena ha fetsa on kentsa tsa hae ho so next time o tlo palama bethe yaka o ichute mo jung ga bethe yaka ka headboard yaka and one day le monna ka o tlhaela step seo a ke ga o ntsabe so nna ke batla motho a ntshabang haka so ke mela ke ga o se mosebetsi o fedile he nna ke sorry I think na le baka le valid la hore nka o excuse haka because I ke sa o tshepa I admire Nilina, and then Ibile, she doesn't even ask for forgiveness and stuff like this. She just went quiet, and then she didn't even wash dishes that night. She went to bed. I wait so get the story sana because I have to explain what happened for me. Get that point. Fast forward tomorrow. Tomorrow come hi. Girl is up 6 o'clock in the morning. Gudu wa tlhapa ka mo le ka go bathroom. Hai ke dirage ke go kitchening coffee wa tse ke re lounge ke dule ke memele gore a fetsa. Ha ke motla gore o feditse ke re run to the bedroom. Ko hi auntie, hi mama le kae re tseng. O so feditse ke feditse ke a tsamaya ke re jalo tlisa jwang a ga ke tlo tsamaya 1 2 3 so ke ra e re ke lo dropa stop signing mo tlo tlang di taxi. A re mo le ke go ena sorry mo le ke go ena hi man auntie ne ke go ba gompolele beke ha man normally I don't do this but ke le ka feel hore o ka ge nka so tshepe man ka moghola ban le sebete ka teng ho iphantsho tsaka ke feel o ka ge o ka etsetsa o lo fitisa re se bua Sotho o ka etsa lo fitisa o kopa o ntshwarele ha ebe utlwa ka re I'm invading your privacy but ke feel o ka re hore ke khotsofale hore ke se be ka o sokela ke ntse ke re o nkile dintho mhlomong ha ke sa ibone a tlene re etse ho fela bona a dumela go me ha ona taba bag ya gagwe kae on top of the bed ya gagwe na go bala go yona okay girlfriend a bule bag ke na le video a bule bag ha bula bag a ntse di aparo tsa gagwe as neat as it should phela o neat motholo skono motholo wa ithata ke se ithati what okay a ntse bag ya gagwe I mean a ntse di aparo tsa gagwe one by one a ntse di bya mo mogabetse one by one a ntse di bya mo mogabetse how mole ha fitla ko tlase ke 2 items a jacket le borgo sweatpants tse le jacket tse ha dintsi the sweatpants are at the bottom and the jacket modimo ga yona ha bona a re ho setse jacket le borgo bona ke re kwena oh okay so ha dintsi o di phaila fela ka loto o phaila fela ka letsogo hantsi ha bona so nna ke be le ntshwereng but why asantsi hey think on my feed gidi phone take out ke re video but ke capture ke re why it's so dintsi ke di tshwara bon really ha ke tshwara so e ga ile khasha wanga ha ke bula ke re ha ke misa jacket e khone go emella e tswe kante jacket ha ke tshwara ke emisa sona e dutse mo di moga di tshwanetse e di motho mo di mo e kwetse sweater e na leng dijo bona auntie unkile anything that she can possibly take, when a food, when a spices, everything, sukiri in, whatever that you can think of. Ibile ntse ke shout ntse ke mara why sukiri mara e fela ga kana kana mo ntlung e go tshesa ga kana kana na go sukiri e kae a tsa ha me fedile di juice tsa ngwana ka tsa go kera tsa ko sekolong ke dula ke ga tsa itse ngwana o vent why mazimba skolo wa fetsa ga kana kana mazimba skolo ha wa je mo ntlong bla ngwana tla bantsa re mama it's not me, mama it's not what. Okay, fine. Kante dinto auntie ntsa di paka mo bekeng ya gagwe a preparela what Lesotho tugane. That was not all. Go wetsagetse in between that before I could actually see ditlhare. Okay, fale ditlhare di mo kae mo bekeng mo le saiteng ebe consultation ile ya go auntie why are you doing this blah 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 o ngutsa bohloko go wetsa everything mo ntlong blah 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 o gela mo le ga se ke tenegile ke re ke di busetsa ebile a ke tsele go bane ke di busetsa mo bekeng ya gagwe dintho tsele ha ke re mo saiteng ya beke man go kumogile go kana ha ke tshwara beke ele ke bula ha ke re ka mogare ke ditlhare. I have never seen so much muti in my life. Dina le di note ka mogare e one note e ngwetse utlwang ka nna ka ga anti bomang ke bomang hantlentle ba tlameleng ba utlwe ka wena ka go fitlhile mo wa go mo go patele bokana nna ka re ke tla go patela bakae o batla o njotsa gore ne se nna all along e ne le ditlhare tse tsao se sengwe tse fela ba hleke ka re bomang anti ke dula ke le mosebetsing monna ka ha offer matsatsi a mangata o tla botsetse le ntatwa mo ntlong mo ka mantso mang o ntso batla etse jwang a nantsa ga o hla a bantsa smile le one go jotsa ka bagem sto sa teng sa stella reaction ya teng a itatlhella mo fatshe di theatrics jo be mme go foseditse go patshwarelo hewa.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi waseMzansi. There's an old video of Magwase Lesotho lo bega helper le resurface le lapeteng lento qhumana lo longe o iboss yakhe walonga ngisho nepaint or stealing from her boss. Bantu abaningi bathi ma helpers eLesotho or they are the worst. But mafuna stress nje casha umuntu waseLesotho, hence why people prefer Bozimbo, Malawi. But Lesotho nje uzozisola because labantu labana bane attitude bayantshontsha kuningi nje labakwenda ko but mawufuna peace, stay away from my helpers or getting yourself a helper yaseLesotho. Do comment your thoughts when I down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.